Rock, paper, scissors for the Thruxton first.
Oh, do you want to ride the Thruxton first?
I want to rock, paper, scissors.
All right, here we go. Who are we going? So
1, 2, 3, shoot. It's always on shoot.
Winner takes the Thruxton.
Yes, on first.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Welcome back, folks. Flipknot here. As always, I end up at Triumph, and I get suckered into doing something that I had no idea I was going to do. This guy is doing reviews on these two motorcycles, and I've always wanted to ride this one, so let's go on a ride.
Say what the damn motorcycles are, man.
It's a Thruxton, and what is this, BMW?
People want to know. This is a BMW R9T.
This is a BMW NR
R9T.
R9T.
And Thruxton.
Is that 2020?
Who cares what year it is? Let's just drive.
Triumph Thruxton, my dream motorcycle.
God, she's amazing.
Hey,
From the hip, baby.
people don't watch my videos for my information. They watch my videos to watch me give you a hard time.
People watch their videos as they feel sorry for you.
No, they want me to give you a hard time.
I should have let you stall it out. That's not the button. All right, there you go.
Ooh. I am not leaving with a new motorcycle.
You got this?
Yes.
It's a really expensive bike, but
You, man.
don't freak out. Don't freak out. Whatever you do, don't freak out. That bike is super expensive.
Can you stop? Can you stop? Ooh. And let's go. Ooh, that's nimbly. I'm sure that for most people, as soon as you sit on this thing, the first thing you will notice is this very kind of awkward seating position. Not awkward for most, pretty awkward for me right now. And fun motorcycle stuff. Yeah, go, bro. Figure it out. I need to set up. Jesus Christ, this mirror's not. Okay. See? It's important to check your mirrors, kids. Oh man, I see why this is so much fun. Where we going? Where we going? Are we turning? I think we're turning. I'll admit, the seating position is slightly discomforting, at least it is for me. I've always wanted a Thruxton. I've always loved the way they look. I've always was amazed by them. They've always intrigued me, like a weird animal in the woods, I guess. You know, like a Bigfoot. It exists. You know it does. But one of the things that I had to think about when I was buying the Bonneville was seating position and how am I going to sit in it forever, which was a major factor in why I went with the Bonneville instead of the Thruxton, no matter how much I've always wanted a Thruxton. As most things go in life, as always as well, it's always something you got to get comfortable with. And how do I say this without sounding like a complete D-bag? You see unpacking videos, you see people who just instantly give you an opinion on something. You can't do that. You can't make up your mind on something that quick and easy. But the more comfortable you get with something, the more you can like relax and enjoy. This poor guy having to deal with us. The more you can relax and enjoy something, the more you can appreciate it for exactly what it is. And this bike is something that takes some getting used to. Sorry, man. Triumph just makes an amazing motorcycle. Another weird thing for me right now is I'm trying to get used to these bar end mirrors so I can put them on my Bonneville.
Fast, huh?
Fun.
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
Oh no, it's a brand new bike. What's not to love?
The seating position. All right, one more. Then it's time time to trade and get on the BMW R9T. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. That's a good idea. Ah, man. I mean, the Thruxton's always been an amazing motorcycle. And ever since they updated all the suspension and made it into more of a performance motorcycle instead of just an upgraded Bonneville, it's always been such a even cooler looking thing. What I will say is that the seating position just ain't my thing. But I would probably take one, you know. Hey, hand me one, I'll take it. I'm not saying no. I will ride it every day for the rest of my life. My biggest complaint, it still doesn't have self-canceling turn signals. No, you don't get used to it. No.
You get used to self-canceling really quick.
Yo, yeah. Especially when you have a Harley for 9 years. I have really gotten over my little hurdle of not riding new motorcycles or different motorcycles. And I'm very happy that has happened because otherwise, what's the point? This is dramatically more fun than doing the same thing every day. Good girl. I wonder what the soda tab is for, though. I remember when I first got the Bonneville, how long it took me to remember where the pegs and the shifter was. When you go from being up here to being back here, it took me a while, especially that first test ride. Hey, fathead, move it. I can't see past your fat head. Scoot. Rock, paper, scissors, just for fun.
What?
Rock, paper, scissors, just for fun. Ah! Well, you get the Thruxton. I've never ridden a BMW before, so.
You never ridden a BMW?
No. Whose? Let's do this.
Motorcycle.
I know. Jeez, that's a kickstand. That feels funny.
Yeah, it goes like that.
Yeah, like it kicks that way. Like, it's like start, go.
That's good.
Go for it. I immediately enjoyed the seating position better. The handlebars are dramatically wider. It's an interesting comparison. All right, and my maiden voyage on a BMW. Whoa! Okay. Shift differently, I'll say that much. First thing you'll notice, you're on a different motorcycle. I don't mean like literally I just went from that one to this one. I mean, I've never had a motorcycle feel like this between the Boxster engine and the way it shifts. I'm used to the good old-fashioned Harley cut chunks. But it just shifts differently. Hey, who wants to see Shade Tree Surgeon on a freaking sport bike? It's funny looking. It instantly does not feel as fast. Sorry guys. But sitting on it feels a lot more comfortable. I like the wider handlebars. I like the fact that I'm sitting up. I'm pretty sure that has a lot to do with just the sheer fact of, well, now we're going that way. Okay, figure it out. Back to what I was saying. Wider handlebars, different seating position, not as fun as a motorcycle. I don't know, man. Maybe it's just me being stubborn. I love a challenge. That is a challenge. That's something you gotta get comfortable with. That's something you gotta feel, you gotta get into a whole new world. The clip-ons and the seating position. Like I said about the Road King the first time I rode it, oh, Whee! Alright, let's do that. Like I said about the Road King the first time I rode it, it's easy to just like lay back and just enjoy it and like get too comfortable in what you're doing. I don't think most people ride motorcycles to be comfortable. That's what they have SUVs for. Is that the fuzz? Really don't like the way it shifts. Every time I feel it shift, it feels like it's kicking the handlebars. And fun motorcycle stuff. Just kicking the throttle a little bit, neutral. Like I can feel the displacement kick to the right. Like this Boxster engine is just a completely different thing. I don't know why, in a weird way, I thought it'd be dramatically better. Like you hear Boxster engines and you think of like high performance vehicles that like people don't make because it's difficult. The reason it's difficult is because it's better, so people don't do it and they get cheap out. No. This is just, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if it's better because it doesn't feel like it. The transmission's weird. The way it just kicks left and right was weird. As soon as I feel the bike go that way, I'm not doing that on purpose.
What do you think, man?
It's an extremely strange vehicle.
BMWs are odd, that's for sure.
Like you just do that and it just kind of kicks to the right. The transmission seems very weird too.
Yeah, BMWs, all of them are funky. Everyone I've ever ridden.
Okay, well, cool. It's not just me. It's not just my nitpick. It's just not something I'm used to, I guess, at the end of the day. I feel like it's time for your generic South Park feel-good resolution moment of the video. And I guess that resolution is just the sheer fact of, like, it never hurts to try everything once. I'm not going to buy this motorcycle. I'm not going to buy that motorcycle. I could never ride that every day of my life. But I would own one. I still want to own one. Like everybody else in the world, you have that thing in your head. Like, I'm going to be rich one day. I'm going to buy that. Would still buy that long before I bought this. No matter how much more comfortable this is, that is more exciting to me. And again, back to excitement. You got to try everything once, man. I've only ever heard good things about BMW motorcycles. But I just found out it just really isn't for me. What do you think?
Of this? I like this better.
Yeah, me as well.
I don't like the seating position better.
I literally said the same thing.
Basically, what I want is those bars on this bike. And that would be perfect. Like,
It's more exciting. It's more exciting.
that's what I just makes you feel like you want to do bad stuff. This bike makes you want to do hood rat track. With that bike, I'm like, it's fast, we'll go. But I don't feel like I do.
Like, you know me, I'm not like super leaner. I was trying to make that thing lean a little bit more. I'm like, let's see how we can get this going. This is a great bike, don't get me wrong.
No, it is. I like it a lot.
But first time on a BMW, a lot to get used to.
And this bike just feels kind of nicer. Like, the controls feel nicer, the grip feel nicer. Of course, this is like Brian's top of the line bike.
Yeah,
That's not the top of the line bike.
yeah.
So, it's kind of unfair to compare those two things, you know? That's the cheap BMW.
Still an awesome motorcycle.
Yeah.
Like, if I had to buy that for my daily driver, never. If I had an extra $1, absolutely.
The second bike.
Yeah. That's the weekend warrior bike.
Definitely. Right?
Huh?
Weird to get used to.
Yeah. You're trying to make a left turn, you hit the foot of the throttle, it starts to pull you right. You're like, what the f***'s going on? It's fast enough. And the biggest and most burning question, it's fast enough. It's not that fast, but it's fast enough. Well, folks, let's call it a day. Back at Tabor Triumph, if you have any interest on any of these motorcycles or some of their awesome used motorcycles, don't forget to give them a call. KJ is always here to take care of you. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to sign out now. Don't forget, I do have a Patreon if you enjoy these videos. That helps me out a lot. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, catch you in the next one.